Oh, Cesar, it's a scramble in front position. Moving up, winking eye, super duper friendly fire. Prince Carlo, play, they play. Moving up, Green Apple. Down on the inside is Secret Truth. Then followed by Enigmatic, Prince Dugo. The Real Thing, Royal Scepter. King's Treasure, third last, second last, Winning Habit. And Raymond Star trails the field. Into the turn, they gallop. Winking Eye goes on by about 2 lengths. Super Duper in second, 3 lengths away in third, Friendly Fire. Moving up now to take fourth, Secret Truth. Then followed by Enigmatic. Green Apple alongside Fly, Aday Fly, Prince Dugo, Prince Carlo, The Real Thing, Royal Scepter, King's Treasure, Winning Habit, and Raymond Star is still racing in last, entering the fourth turn. And that's still Winking Eye by about 2 lengths. Then here comes Friendly Fire. Now trying to get closer in second. Super Duper in third. Then followed by Enigmatic, Green Apple, The Real Thing. As they come down at the last 200. Friendly Fire now takes the lead by about 2 lengths. Winking Eye in second. Moving up, Green Apple, The Real Thing. Last 100 meters. We have Friendly Fire now by about 5 lengths. And finally, Friendly Fire. Second, Winking Eye, The Real Thing, Green Apple, Enigmatic, Fly, Aday Fly for your Super 6.
Si Jeff Sarata.